So today I'm going to be reviewing this smartwatch that I just got. So let's unbox it and see how it works. So when you take it out of the package, this is what it looks like. You have the charging area right over there, and then when you remove this area, you do have the charger. So this is a charger that you can use to charge it up, and of course you have a user manual. So we're gonna set it up right now. So the first thing that we do is we're gonna download the app. Now I'm going to connect the watch, and the watch is already charged, so I'm just going to turn on the watch, and I can scan the code, press the dial right here. I can swipe through. You can see how many steps I've taken since I've had this watch. It's checking my BPM right now, so you can see my BPM. And once I swipe, so there's no recording found. This is for sleep mode, so you get a sleep mode. So when I wear this, I'll be able to, when I'm sleeping, it will be able to record how my sleep goes. And there are other activities that are on here. You can check your workout. Once you're working out, you can also check the weather. You can receive calls. You can listen to music, connect your music on here. Okay, so now you can see, you can see the call just came in. And so you can receive calls on it. If you swipe it the opposite way, remember when you swipe it like this, that's when you can see your fitness and your health. But if you swipe it the opposite way, you can choose the activities and the other things that you want to see. You can look at where it says messages or languages. You can switch the languages around. So let's swipe it again. You can see the temperature. You can also make calls on this. So if I click on this, I can do call audio. I can also do media call. Yeah, so I can do a media call if I want to. There's so many options and so many things you can do with this. So this is the weather right now. And yeah, so I love it, and I love how it's functioning.